If meron kang balak bumili ng SUI coin ngayon, mukhang kailangan mo mag-isip-isip muna ulit. Now, I know, malaki na ang dinump ng SUI from all-time high na around $2. Ngayon, last check ko around 1.3, bumagsak pa siya ng up to 1. But yung next na ipapakita ko sa inyo is mapapadalawang isip ka kung bibili ka ba ngayon. On May 4, maybe May 5 sa atin, 8.27% of total supply ang ma-unlock. That's almost 10% ang mapupunta sa circulating. Ibig sabihin, supply and demand lang yan, sobrang daming lalabas na supply sa May 4. This is another proof ng isang CT sa X na nagsabi SUI is a tough buy until big 8.27% unlock on May 3rd. Or yun, May 3rd, May 4th, or May 5th. This is basic supply and demand. So if dumami yung supply and hindi nakapag-keep up yung demand, naturally babagsak yung value. It makes me wonder if correlated ba to sa pagiging push hard nila sa marketing nila lately, no? I think it's the best move is not to buy, no? Antayin mo muna ma-unlock to and check mo yung price action ng SUI. But long term, I think malaki ang upside ng SUI and Aptos. Itong dalawa naman kasi nagalaban, talagang main competitor itong dalawa kasi parehas yung program language na ginagamit nila, which is Move. So yun lang, this is just a warning. It's a malaking news to, no? Kailangan aware ka if meron kang balak bumili ng SUI or nag-hold ka ng SUI ngayon.